Hello guys, and welcome back to Technical Magic. So today we are doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Watch first generation. So this is the 42 mil model, or millimeter, sorry. The Bluetooth 42 millimeter model. Sorry about the background noise, by the way. There are some people upstairs. So I got this for $180 on Amazon, and I was going to take advantage of some of the Black Friday deals, but this ended up being the best price. This watch, when it came out, was around $350, so this is a very, very good deal. And it's actually using the same processor as the newest Galaxy Watch 3, and it actually has a lot of specs from the Galaxy Watch 3, which is the newest in the Galaxy Watch line. So I think that this isn't a bad watch at all for $180 if it has some of the same spec range as the newer versions. Alright, well, let's open this up. So, alright, well first I guess we can read some of the stuff off the box here. So, okay, I guess that's the Spanish side, or just, okay, I guess it's all in Spanish. Well, what this is supposed to say is long battery life. This is something about fitness, and then it's got like, I think it has like 38 fitness modes or something like that. It's really amazing. And it has 5 ATM 50 meter water resistance. So, alright, now we can get into it. Alright, so I have already opened this box, but just to charge the watch, I have only charged the watch and set it up. Besides that, I haven't even put it on my wrist yet. So that's the watch. As you can see, Galaxy Watch. So we'll take this out first. I'll put this to the side for a moment. You just pull this little thing up and take that out. Alrighty. Now, there's these two pull tabs. So what's in here? Let's see here. We got classic stuff. So unfortunately this is micro USB. It's not USB Type-C, but this did come out in 2018, so I don't know, I guess it's acceptable. Not the greatest of chargers. I'm probably not going to use it since I already have my own charger over here. Anyway, so yeah, just a micro USB charger and power brick. What else is in here? I think that's it for that side. Now on this side, so this is actually an extra band strap, and I believe this one is a lot longer than, well, maybe not a lot. It's either smaller or longer, and I think this is smaller because it might look long, but that's my finger. It's pretty short. Also, we have the docking station. So you plug this into the micro USB cable, and the watch kind of just sits on there, so it works as a nightstand at night. So that's nice. Might as well plug this in since I have a charger right here. So yeah, like I said, micro USB, nothing special. Alright, we'll put that right there. Now I don't need this stuff, so just shove that over there. What else we got in here? Just a so this is a starting guide, yeah, quick start guide, Samsung Galaxy Watch. Move my table over a little. Alright, so that's it for that. Guess we can kind of just throw some of this stuff in there. So as far as the extra band, some people say that this is the woman's version of the watch, but I didn't get the rose gold one. I'm not a woman, I got the black one. I would have got the bigger one, but for one it was way more expensive, and two, I think straight black looks a lot better. Alright, put this to the side. Alright, so now we got the Galaxy Watch itself. So like I said, I have set it up and paired it to my phone, and so I don't have my phone on me right now, but it is connected to my Wi-Fi. So we'll power the watch on. Samsung Galaxy Watch. Alright, and as we're powering this on, I suppose I can read off some of the specs here for the watch. So this has 768 megabytes of RAM, I believe, and it has 4 gigabytes of internal storage, so you can store like music on it, and you can also store you can store photos, maybe videos too, and music. I've put a little bit of music on here. I don't know how much I have on here. I don't think I have too much. Here I'm just pulling up the specs real quick. Alright, specifications. So yeah, here I suppose I'll put the watch on here. So it is a 1.2 inch screen, 30 millimeters. It's a circular Super AMOLED display, 360 by 360. You can turn on AOD, which is always on display, so you don't have to like do the wrist motion to turn it on. You can, it's just always on, but that does use up a little bit more battery life, so keep that in mind. It has Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus. I have no idea what that means, but I know that Gorilla Glass is good because a lot of phones use it. So these straps are, Samsung switched over to just using normal, just band straps, so you can go on Amazon and use any old straps. And I'm actually kind of a watch connoisseur, so I have a ton of bands, so I might try on some leather bands later. It's 20 millimeters. Okay, I guess I was wrong on the battery. The bigger version is 472 milliamps, but this version, which is the 22 millimeter, or 42 I mean, has 270 milliamps. 1.5 gigahertz processor, Tizen OS. Yeah, and it's got built-in. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you leave your watch at home and you connect to a Wi-Fi router, say like you went to Starbucks or something, I don't know, you went to a friend's place that has Wi-Fi, you can use that and call people on it. It won't focus for some reason. It's kind of dumb. Alright, well, so now let's, here, I'm going to take the, so by the way, this is the charging dock. So you kind of just take the watch and you set it on there, and the charging animation should come up. Yep, so I'm at 39% right now. It was dead when I took it out of the box, so I didn't want to do a review with a dead watch, so. But like I said, I haven't tried it on, I haven't done anything else with it. So we don't need that. So now, let's take the, I'm going to move this a little closer to us. There. Maybe not. Let's take this back band plastic off. Take this out. I don't know if this is shorter or longer. So this is the extra, or no, this is way longer actually. Alright, I'm going to put this band on because I have bigger wrists. Alright, so this has, you can see that little pin right there. It's quick release. And, bite my nails, so this might be kind of difficult. But, yeah, I suppose I can just, if you have fingernails and you can do this, if you don't, I suppose you can just use any random piece of metal, which is exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so I got that off. So now you just kind of take that out, and now I'm going to put the other band in there. Alright, just like that. If you don't have a piece of metal on you, you can just use your teeth. Which probably isn't good for your teeth. In fact, I know it isn't. But There we go. Alright, sorry it took so long. Now you just take this little bit off. This plastic piece here. And you're all set. So here's the watch. Alright, cool. So I got the watch off. Now watch this, guys. Take this little piece of plastic. Ooh, that was satisfying. Alright, cool. So I'm going to put the watch on, actually. And so like I said, I have big wrist. I am a teenager, but pretty big wrists for my age, so I thought I'd put on the bigger ones. As far as band comfortability, I think it's alright. I don't know about sleeping with it, because, alright, let's see how, but, I mean, it's pretty comfortable. Well, that seemed to work pretty good. Let's see, let's do a few tests of the wrist wake up. Alright. 3 out of 3, 4 out of 4. How about for my right here? Yeah, that worked too. Alright, how about from over here? That worked too. Alright, well, I heard some reviews that doesn't work that great, but it sure is working fine for me. Alright, so I guess I'll take it off now so you guys can see it. So it fits pretty good. I think the band is pretty comfortable. I don't know about long periods of time, as it was the first time I've tried it on. So as far as the, it's got this clicky, really nice bezel on the outside. I don't know if you can hear that. But yeah, it's very, very satisfying. So you have a selection of different watch faces, but since this is just a first impressions, I'm not going to go too far into it. But yeah, it comes with all these. I haven't downloaded any other watch faces. It comes with all of these built in. Let's try this one. So this is just simple black and white. I actually like this one. I'm sure that'll, since this is an AMOLED display, all the pixels that are black just turn off, and it saves a ton of battery life. So I'm probably going to use this one pretty often, actually, because it'll save me battery life. And if you want to just go through the interface here, I've set up a few different contacts, I guess. So this is all your apps. You can just go through here and flip through. So this is Bixby. How much activated? Never mind. Okay, I won't do anything. Oh, nice. Well, I've heard some bad reviews about Bixby, but I don't know. That worked alright. Alright, well that's my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Stay tuned for my in-depth review of the watch. I'm going to use it a little while before I do it because I want to actually have a good idea of how the watch works. But yeah, stay tuned for the review. Thanks for watching. Peace out.